uh, AI boom that's happening across the world, especially in the US, Japanese markets, Taiwanese markets, China as well. Do you think it's on its last legs? We've seen the same thing happening in 2001, 1999, 2000 when the internet bubble was shaping up. How far are we in the bubble?
I have concerns, especially if you look at the US market, the move has been so very narrow. It has been basically a tech, and within that, also a very small handful of companies which have been carrying this whole move. And there are things in terms of new technology, which is that people think that new technology, everybody must go invest, let's go chase that mirage. But it's often a mirage because it is that how long does the technology take to succeed? Who will succeed, which particular technology, which company will succeed. I go back to, you were talking about that dot-com time. Like, for example, there was this whole thinking that if the internet, everybody in the world will use the internet, which actually has come to pass. And therefore, if you invest in companies which are building the infrastructure for internet, you can't go wrong. And so this internet, as your viewers may or may not know, is carried across the world on these undersea cables. And there was a company called Global Crossing, which laid many of these cables. The cables it laid are still in use, but the company went bankrupt more than 20 years ago. So it's not only whether the technology succeeds, will it make return on capital on the amount of money that's being invested? So if I go to AI, for example, currently all these companies in the AI race like Meta, Google, etc., are hiring individuals or hiring or acquiring very small companies for one or two individuals at $100 million, $500 million. They are setting up these huge data centers. Now, what is a data center? It's a lot of real estate. It's a lot of building and equipment, which is very fast depreciating. It requires a lot of energy. Are you going to make returns on that? So, for example, when schools and colleges shut down for their vacation, interestingly, the use of many of the AI models came down 60-70%. So they're being used by students for their assignments. So this is not a high-paying population. So with so much money going in, will you make any sensible return on investment is the question. And ultimately, even if a technology succeeds, and I give this example that in the 20th century, which were the two technologies which fundamentally transformed how human beings live? One is automobiles and the other is aviation. And both have been a graveyard of companies. They have been terrible places to invest in by and large, even though the technology succeeded to this extent. So that's always a hard call, that how long will it take, which company will succeed, which technology will succeed. Again, we think electric vehicles is some new thing. Reva cars were introduced in India almost 25 years back.